Hello, welcome back. I'm Mery Novita. So here I'm with my partner Novita Aulia. We are going to continue our next assignments, translation assignments about translation procedures. So in this text, we highlight the text into three colors. First is yellow. Yellow means literal translations, and blue. Blue means transposition translations, and last is gray. Gray means modulation translations. And the text is taken from Johan, 1996. So first, the title is we translated it from source language Bahasa Indonesia to target language English. The title is in source language kehidupan yang sendu dari orang-orang cacat fisik, and in the target language is the thorough life of disabled people. So here we use literal translation procedures where we translate it by word, and we didn't change the structure like the kehidupan yang sendu. So in the target language is the thorough life dari orang-orang cacat fisik is of disabled people. It also same in the with the first sentence of the text. In source language is orang yang cacat fisik, pincang, buta, tuli, sering mengeluh bahwa mereka merasa dikucilkan dan tersendiri, bahwa orang-orang lain menjauhi mereka. So in our target language, we use literal translations also, like disabled people as orang yang cacat fisik, crippled, pincang, blind, buta, deaf, tuli. Often complains, sering mengeluh that they feel being cast out and alienated, bahwa mereka merasa dikucilkan dan tersendiri, that other people avoid them, bahwa orang-orang lain menjauhi mereka. So it means that literal translations, it seems like they copies the structure as a source language. Next is the second sentence. We use transpositions. Translation. It's actually optional transpositions where we is a switching where the procedure is switching the grammatical from another without changing the meaning of the text. So for example, like in the source language, tampaknya perasaan ini dan ini sangat disayangkan. We translate to this is very unfortunate, that this feeling seems dikaitkan dengan kenyataan yang memprihatinkan, and the target language is associated with the disparate reality.
And the next sentence, we actually try to paraphrase the two last sentences. That is, beberapa ahli mengatakan bahwa orang memang pada batas-batas tertentu menjauhi orang-orang cacat fisik. Apabila mereka diberi pilihan karena biasanya akan membatasi jarak dengan orang cacat dibanding dengan orang biasa. So we actually paraphrase these two sentences because we think that these two sentences have relation to one another and it's rather similar to one another. We paraphrase it and we translate it to some of experts stated that in particular accents, people indeed avoid disabled people and usually prefer to keep their distance from them rather than common people if they are given choices. So we translate it by using modulation procedure where there is changing for the phrase, one phrase to another without changing the meaning or the essence of the source language itself in order to be equivalent or compatible with the target language. So we use this translation by using modulation. Let's see that here, for example, some of experts stated that in particular accents. So we actually translated from beberapa ahli mengatakan bahwa orang-orang memang pada biasanya pada batas-batas tertentu So after we translate this, some of experts stated that in particular extents, we put people indeed avoids disabled people, and we actually combine this word, orang-orang pada batas tertentu menjauhi orang-orang cacat fisik. Uh, we use indeed avoids disabled people and usually prefer to keep their distance from them rather than common people if they are given choice. So we combine it with diberi pilih apabila mereka diberi pilihan, mereka biasanya akan membatasi jarak dengan orang-orang cacat dibanding dengan orang biasa. So that's why we use modulation, because we think that this is compatible to one another, and those two sentences have relation, so have relation to one another. Therefore, we paraphrase it because we think it is more effective. So that's all I think for this presentation. And for the next assignment, just be waiting. Thank you.